everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to set up a new badminton set for the kids. This is the Easy Setup Badminton by Eastpoint. Now you can get it at most big box stores. The neat thing about this, it has quick and easy storage and quick and easy setup. They say as little as 5 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and open this up, see what comes in the box, and try it out. Most big box stores have this for under $30. This one in particular came from Walmart for about $25 as of June 2018. I'm going to put on some banjo music while we open this up. Enjoy. Okay, that's everything you see before you that comes in the box. Looks like it comes with 6 blue supports, 2 sets of rackets, so you can get 2 on 2 going here, a green and a blue set. Also has the black heavy-duty plastic supports, and we'll figure out how to do that. Comes with a couple birdies, the net, and how to set up instructions. So let's set this up, and I'm going to time myself and do it real time. First step, you take the center base piece, and you got a left foot and a right foot. We're going to slide those into place. Gives a little bit of an audible click. To me, that's always satisfying. Now to get the left one in. Okay, we're going to do this twice. Here's the second one. Okay, 2 of these are done. Let's move on. The next step is to configure it like this. So we have these little racket and pole holders that we need to snap on to these bases. We'll do that so when we're done playing, we can put it together so it looks just like that. It's kind of handy. Okay, these simply clip on with the angle part right here on the top. Like that. There it goes. You want the wide parts out to hold the poles. Okay, done with that one too. It's getting a little tight inside, so we moved it outside for the next step. We're going to set up the 4 center poles on the bottom, and in the middle of those is going to be this little center connector, and we'll have our 2 end connectors up there. So quickly put those together, pretty easy. A quick note on putting these bars up, you can put them up high or down low, and I guess that depends on if you're playing on level ground or not. So I put it on the high. Then the next step is to put the center strap on. It's just a clip-on strap, the same length as these bars to hold them together. You're just going to clip it on here. It's always easier without a camera in your hand. Okay, center straps in place. The base is all done. Now we're going to open up the side poles. I'm going to press this little button here down, and then you can extend the top. It's on both sides, so make sure. Kind of have to do it. There we go. And you'll see it pop out here in a second. There we go. That has to pop. There's one on the middle and the top. Okay, now put them in. Just repeat that for the other side. Now the other side's ready to go. So this thing starts out real compact, but now it's a pretty long unit. That's probably almost 20 feet wide. Let's look at the next step. So those left and right supports are going to be flexible. Your net is actually going to have a curved edge. So we'll undo this, the net, and slide it on at an angle. And you'll see what I mean in a second. So here's the edge. Normally this would be upright, but you can see that that's at an angle. Let's install that on one of these sides. All right, we've got it. I pulled it on over. Now this might come in handy to have 2 people, but I'm going to try to do it alone. So I'm going to get someone to help me You rarely play badminton by yourself, so it's probably pretty assured that you're gonna have someone to help you. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my helper here, who actually agreed to marry me at one point. So just, she's holding it under pressure as we slide it down. Okay. Now I'm going to back up and show you what it looks like. Okay, there it is, the portable Eastpoint Sports badminton net. So it sets up in 5 minutes, you know, and after you do this a couple times, I could say 5 minutes tops. First time I went slow to see what's going on. The only other caveat they have is if you're going to play on grass, they give you 4 little stakes that you're going to stake down here and there, 2 on each end. And this will break down again into that portable unit. So we'll put this in the front yard and I'll have my 2 little minions check it out. Okay, you can see a person can lift this by themselves. That's pretty neat. Regulation height, regulation size. Let's see if the kids like it. Try it out. Over the net, Lily. Okay, we're gonna do some practicing, but it's a pretty cool net and the price is right. The portability is outstanding. I would recommend this. I'll come back and put a little verbiage on the bottom if I think it's a piece of junk, if it breaks after a day. But I think for $25, even a day's worth of use is good. But I'm thinking this is gonna last a summer or two. Hey, if you like this video, hit subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.